Another thing I'd say to you as well too is don't create those generic, those articles and those videos we see that says, oh, 10 tips on this, the 10 fastest ways to lose weight, 5 tricks you need to know before you buy your first treadmill, and those kind of generic things. At one point, I think they probably were really popular, but we've seen so many of them now that we probably just skim through them, but we don't really take on the information that's in it because it's just too general, it's too generic, and it's just lifeless. So if you are looking to create content, what I would recommend you do is push all that aside for a moment and lean into pain points. And again, by knowing your end user, you should know the pain points that your user has. So again, going back to this elderly person who's got a dog in the house, what are their pain points? Well, the pain points are probably going to be something like, I've got a young dog, I haven't got the energy to keep up with it, and I'm struggling. I haven't got as good a health, and I really love to exercise this dog, but I know for a fact I'm letting him down because I'm not able to keep up with him. Now that's possibly a pain point. Another pain point for maybe an elderly person could be that maybe I don't have as much money, I can't buy the best dog food, so how can I buy maybe cheaper dog food but make sure that the dog food that I am giving my dog is still going to give them a good life? That could be another pain point. So by me knowing the pain points, I'm sure you can see that by me creating a video on pain points of maybe that one about the dog food, that's going to be a lot more powerful to my audience instead of a video that says, 10 things you need to know when you're buying a packet of dog food. There's a difference in that. One is just lifeless. The other one has a lot more passion in it. It's a lot more information, and it's a lot more attractive to your end user.